Hey guys, how is it going today? So I'm gonna give you guys my logic. If you guys don't know Valcoin, you guys should absolutely follow her.
Okay.
She's been my bestie on Twitter for a very long time now, since I've had only like a few thousand followers. So I'm gonna show you guys our logic, all right? So the first thing that I like to do is I take the fib range for the entire thing, just to get a general idea of what's popular. And I see right here that we see that the flavor since the uptrend was a 618 golden ratio bounce. So check, we've confirmed it right now that it went up to the 618 region. And then the next thing that I do is I check another range as well, okay? I check this range right here to see what it's gonna get roughly up to. And what we easily see that it also got to the golden pocket range right here. So on a downtrend, when it bounces to the B, people like to catch it at this specific range to catch. Now, if I also go to, for example, here on the 30-minute chart, this setup with the lower histogram ticks each time, with it hovering above the positive range, it might set up for a nasty drop with all these confluent reasons. Also, we compare this high to that high, this high to this low. It's very obvious to see that it's starting to possibly lose strength, right? So my goal is, let's say it gets to that specific range, I would like to enter a short that would ladder up to these specific regions, just like that, right? And then I pull this down to where I think it would land to. Then I also take out my fib tool again, right? So then I take it from this bottom here to where I think it could possibly get up to, let's say the 786. And because I'm laddering it, I'm gonna try to catch it right around this range. Let me just check how much more time I've got. I got 30 seconds, just enough time. Ah! Sorry guys, that was Val. That wasn't me at all, okay? Okay, so I would probably ladder it up to this specific range. I'd set my stop loss right here, and bam, I would try to target between the 382 and the 0.5 fib range, and I've got myself a risk to reward ratio of somewhere between 0.16 or sorry, 1.6 to about 2. So we have to think of it like playing as a casino, right? So even if we lost this trade, over time, we'd be very successful because of that. Go, go, go Ripple, it's your birthday, you're gonna drop like it's your birthday. Okay guys, you see this right here? I was telling Val earlier. Val, what did I tell you about this wall? Right there.
Push the price down.
It will push the price down. So this is the 10K account for Udemy. I was telling Val there is that 400,000 Ripple wall there, and usually the way the market reacts is what when they see a big wall?
Start panic selling.
They start panic selling because it's too big of a wall. So I'm only in a very small position, $10,000 position, and we're actually going to take our profit right here because Val and I are going to go shopping. That's the truth. 2, 4, 1, and let's see if I can create a wall here, right? And just take my little profit because I'm not really greedy. I want to go shopping for the day. And let's see if we can actually finish up this trade really soon. So guys, I'm going for a 1.5% scalp. I completely called this. Bitcoin actually dropped a very small amount as well. So this is trade number 11, where we started with the $10,000 bounce and we're already at $11,732. You guys see Bitcoin right here with a massive wall. So that also implies to the market right here. It also implies to the market that it's probably not going to go up. So I'm very 100% transparent with my positions here. And let's see if we can actually close these positions right here. 229. Not quite yet, guys. Not quite yet. 229. They're not really dumping to the market quite yet. But let's see how the market is going to react when I put up a decent sized wall there. Let's see if they're gonna keep going at it, guys. I think that we might get one small wave up to make the 4th wave, and then we make the 5th wave coming down. Let's see. Record all of this for the viewers. I'm gonna record all of it while we're talking. Just pretend I'm explaining to them. So on the 3-minute chart, the way that I see this is I see this as a rejection to the 200 moving average. So when it's very volatile like that, I cycle around to every single time frame. So the 3-minute chart, 200 moving average, we just got a wick that rejected about 0.2%, and the volume is steadily declining as well. So the way that I see this is it's going to be a pretty strong rejection to the downside still. So I'm still up a decent amount right now, right? I'm trying to close it. Like you see the pressure of the bears. They're definitely selling it down despite it spiking up right now. So I cannot help but think it's going to come down. And another thing, Val, is so what's this? Okay, I will quiz you. Do you know my moving averages?
Mm-hmm.
Which one is this one of mine?
I don't know, 50?
Yeah, exactly. It's the 50, right? So have you noticed that we trended for how long? So long above the 50, above the 50, above the 50 since yesterday for 17 hours, right?
Yeah.
And what did we do finally?
A great blow.
We break below the 55 moving average, right? So it's almost like the bears are really putting a lot of pressure right now on the bulls, right? The bulls are trying to spike it up, but they're getting pushed down every single time. So then I go to the 10-minute chart as well and I say, all right, the 10-minute chart has been trending up for a long time. And this is the first time that we're actually trending below it. And then what I like to do is I ignore everything and I go to price action. I simply just go to price action and this is what's going to happen.
No.
All right, guys. So as we see, I'm starting to fill up my positions. I was in a this has been a 1 hour trade while just kind of having tequila with Val, and she doesn't drink. She only has coffee. But I'm Phil Khan. I'm a professional / tequila drinker when I travel. So this is gonna pay for my whole day of our food, of going out, you know, of finding my girlfriend. Ooh, I didn't say girlfriend. I meant Sarah. I should say girlfriend, referring to her as that yet. It's still kind of early. But this is literally going to pay for my entire day, and I don't mind at all. So let's see if we can actually get some of these filled still. But you know what I'm going to do, guys? I'm going to market execute. Actually, I don't even need to. This is pretty much what's going to happen. And I will market execute the rest right here. And bam, guys. We just finished off with an easy profit for 1 hour of trade, $132.
Yep.
That's it. We're going to take the profit in front of you guys, and now we're going to go shopping. This has paid for all of our day. See you guys later. Bye. Say bye.